In Acme, Pennsylvania, residents are occasionally confronted with one of the most daunting challenges homeowners can face: sewer system backups. This unpleasant issue, arising from clogs, tree root intrusion, or damaged sewer lines, not only disrupts daily life, but also poses significant health hazards and can lead to costly repairs. However, the situation is not without a solution. If you're experiencing the stress of a sewer backup, immediate professional help is available. By calling 888-501-1193, you can connect with qualified plumbing professionals dedicated to resolving these critical issues. Serving the Acme area, they are equipped to tackle everything from removing stubborn clogs to repairing damaged lines, ensuring your home remains a safe and healthy environment. Don't let sewer system backups become a lingering problem. Call today and take the first step towards a clean and secure home.